Alexa, turn the fan nightlight on.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the fan bright nightlight on.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the nightlight off.
A few things share that name. Which one did you want?
Fan nightlight.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the ceiling fan low on.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the ceiling fan low off.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the ceiling fan medium on.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the ceiling fan medium off.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the ceiling fan high on.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the ceiling fan high off.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the fan on.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the fan off.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the ceiling fan high on.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the fan off.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the ceiling fan medium on.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the fan off.
Okay.